First of all, those that they have done, the activity is first of all is within the road setback area, and it's dangerous first of all when vehicles stop there for the purpose of buying fish. It it could lead to even a major and fatal accident over there. I don't know why authorities are waiting to take action, or whether it is only after an incident takes place over there or what. First of all, preference should also be given to the locals over there for the purpose of fishing. This is a site which is very close to the Dabolim airport. As our tourists come down by that route, you know, it is a very bad impression created by us first of all, for those tourists first of all over there. It's not proper to have all such sites on the road.
It is an eyesore. Anybody coming to Goa, especially tourists, we are just about to start our tourist season. I don't know how the government is allowing such a thing to mushroom in that place. It was just a small hut, just 2 huts which were there earlier for the last, I think, a month. Suddenly there are about 6-7 of them. And the worst part is the children of the migrants are defecating openly on the road. And it's a turn, it's quite a dangerous, it's a big risk for even the drivers who are driving, coming to the airport, and it's a very heavy road. So I think the government should do something and please vacate those people from that place and give them some alternate place somewhere in the hinterland.
आयलंडाकडे जे स्लम तयार जाला ते कोणे घातला ते आमकां अजून कांय कळना. फाल्यां मिटींग आहा, फाल्यां मिटींगे आमी डिस्कस करता आनी फाल्यां इन्स्पेक्शन घेतलें आनी तेजेर कारवाई करतले. आयज कितें जालां, गोंय म्हणलें आमगेले आओ जाओ खाओ जाओ असले जालां, कायदो ना. आयज जर आमी तांकां हटोवपाक प्रयत्न जर करीत, फाल्यां सकाळ कोणी मुखार सरतलो, कोर्टां वयतलो, डायरेक्टरा कडेन वयतलो आनी खंय वयतलो आनी स्टे घेतलो. ही परिस्थिती. ताका लागून आमी इलिगलाचेर कारवाई करूंक गेले सुद्दां जाल्यार आयज खंयची तरी डायरेक्टर जावं दुसरो BDO खंयच्यान तरी स्टे घेता आनी ते बंद करता. हाका लागून आमचो कायदो सारको ना. आयज हो कायदो सारको करपाक खंय तरी कायदो आसा, पूण त्या कायद्या लुपहोल खूब आहा. सो ताका लागून कायदो आमी एक्शन घेवपाक गेल्यार सुद्दां एक्शन जायना. जायते कडेन इलिगल चल्लां. इलिगल चल्लां. पयलू अशें थारायलें की सरपंचाचेर कारवाई जातली म्हणून. आयज सरपंचाचेर खंयची सरपंचान कारवाई केल्ली ती दाखया. कित्याक आमी जेन्ना नोटीस काडटा, नोटीस काडल्या नंतर ते डायरेक्टर, असिस्टंट डायरेक्टर ते स्टे दिता आनी केशी चलत रावता 4 वर्सां 5 वर्सां. जर डॉक्युमेंट कांय ना तरी हे केशी कित्याक दिता, कित्याक लागून स्टे दिता तांकां, हो प्रश्न आहा. डॉक्युमेंट नासतना स्टे दिता, व्हेरीफाय करप ना, कांय ना स्टे चलता मागीर केसीस 5-10 वर्सां. हे खंय तरी बंद जावपा जाय, हें म्हागे प्रामाणीक मत आहा.